Sending a message to a specific attendee is super easy and I'll walk you through it. Now let's dive in. Start by opening your event in the Evey app. On the dashboard, click Attendees. You'll see the full list of people registered for your event right here. At the top of the page, find Attendee Messages and click on it. Then tap Create a Message Template to get started on your attendee message. Here's where you build your message. First, give it a title so you can save it and reuse it later as a template. Next, add your subject line and type your message in the content field. If you want to include a link, add a CTA button as it's perfect for directing attendees to an action or a page. Once you're done, scroll down to the audience section. Search for the attendee you're messaging by typing their name or email address. You can also apply filters if you want to target multiple attendees. Once you've selected your audience, you'll see confirmation like 1 of 67 attendees selected. That's how you know you've got the right person. When everything looks good, click Save. Don't worry, as this doesn't send the message yet. So take a quick moment to review it, and when you're ready, click Send to Attendees at the top, and your message will be on its way. And that's it. You've sent a targeted message in Evey.